Alright guys, I'm getting ready to restore a couch that was about $3,000 and they had a flood, and another local company said they couldn't restore it, and they called me and I'm able to. So you see some flood damage that was done to it on the side there. See that? Brand new couch, good condition. And again, a local national company said they could not restore this couch. That's in the restoration company business. And they said they couldn't restore it. And they called me and I said, absolutely you can, no problem. So I'm here to take care of them today and get restored and save the couch. Stay tuned. All right guys, this is the results. I was able to restore their sectional back to the original state like new and save them $3,000. It looks absolutely stunning. As you can see, if you remember how bad it was over there, all looks good. And again, national chain said they couldn't restore it. I'm a local guy and I was able to take care of it. Make sure you got hired guys that know what they're doing, they're certified, and treat you like family. Thanks for watching.